Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Creative with Shiwani. I hope you all are doing well. First of all, I want to thank you all for supporting me and giving me this much love to my videos. After 1 year, I crossed my 100 subscriber, and this all happened because of you all. I know my growth is very slow. I crossed my first 100 subscriber in 1 year, but it's okay. Good thing take times. And now I hope my growth speed will increase a little bit faster. So you all know it's an art channel, and I want to celebrate my first achievement, or you can call it my first milestone of my YouTube journey in an artistic way. So in today's video, I'm going to paint a kalamkari painting on a wooden tray. So let's start the celebration. I will give you a little bit of information about kalamkari art, about its origin, how many types of kalamkari art is, how it's done. So let's start. Kalamkari is an ancient style of hand painting done on cotton or silk fabric with a turmeric paint using natural dyes. The word kalamkari is derived from a Persian word in which kalam is refers to pen and kari is refers to craftsmanship. This art involves 23 tedious steps of dyeing, bleaching, hand painting, block painting, starching, cleaning, and many more things. Motifs drawn in kalamkari spans from flower, peacock, parsley to divine characters of Hindu epics like Mahabharata and Ramayana. There are two styles of kalamkari art. First is Srikalahasti and second is Machilipatnam. In Machilipatnam, motifs are essentially printed with hand-carved traditional block with intricate detailing painted by hand. On the other hand, Srikalahasti style of painting draws inspiration from Hindu mythology describing scenes from the epics and folktale. This style holds a strong religious connect because of its origin in the temple. Kalamkari art style is mainly practiced in the Indian state of Andhra Pradesh. So this was the small intro about Kalamkari art style. I hope you all liked it. If you like this video, then don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for supporting me. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram, link is in the description box. And now we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and be creative and keep supporting me.